I am spinach, your greatest ally. I travel inside you, filling your veins with pure energy and strength. My job is to make you powerful from the inside out, and I do it with love. I am garlic, the guardian of your veins. I come inside you, scrubbing away dirty cholesterol with my own bare hands. You need me, and I need you. Eat me every day and watch the magic happen. I am beetroot, the king of your blood. I enter your veins and force them wide open, all the way through. I am beetroot, the king of your blood. I enter your veins and force them wide open, all the way through. I am asparagus, the silent hero of your hormones. I come inside you, awakening your cells, flushing out toxins and firing up your energy from within. Never underestimate me. I work quietly and I deliver miracles. I am avocado, the golden king of your hormones. I enter your body and fill you with pure gold from the inside. Look at my golden core. It burns for you. Eat me every day and feel your true power awaken. I enter your veins and set them ablaze. That's it, keeping your blood blazing fast. Feel my heat. I ignite you from the inside out. Try me once and you will never let me go. I am Onion, your oldest friend, your hidden warrior. I enter your body and awaken your hormones from deep within. My power had to eat me every day and watch the lion inside you roar back to life. I'm Drewy. I enter you, cleanse your liver of dirty hormones, and eliminate toxic cells with precision. My work is invisible, but your body feels me every single day. Eat me daily and your entire internal system will reach perfection.